Namaste, I am Rekha Kanemar, back in Indian tradition made simple with a very new topic. Today's topic is what is Pradakshina and why do we have to put Pradakshina in a temple? As we all know, when we go to a temple, we put Pradakshina, that is walking in clockwise direction around the main shrine or the main deity. What happens at that time? Let's understand this. According to modern science, when an object revolves around another object which is kept at the center point, it starts absorbing energy from the center object. This is called centripetal force. Yes, centripetal force is formed. What is centripetal force? Please see my description box. I have given the link. The same formula applies, the same principle applies in the temple. As I told you, temple is a place where a strong cosmic energy is found in the universe, and also the main deity or the main shrine is the center of the cosmic energy. When we put clockwise round around the temple, around the main deity, again centripetal force is formed, and through this centripetal force we start absorbing the energy from the center point, and the center point energy is a high cosmic energy, and that cosmic energy we start absorbing it, and we absorb this cosmic energy, we become a bundle of cosmic energy, and this cosmic energy is nothing else but high positive energy. And with this positive energy, when we go to an outside world and focus on our goal or wishes, that will get fulfilled. This is a concept of the Pradakshina. Now there are 108 nadis or 108 major nerves in the body. These nerves or nadis gets vibrated or they absorb energy when we put 108 rounds around the temple. That's why they say when you want to achieve your goal or fulfill your desire, you chant mantra 108 times or put Pradakshina 108 times in the temple. When we chant mantra 108 times also, through the sound and vibration, the nadis get activated and they absorb the cosmic energy from the surrounding, and you get highly bundle of positive energy, and you work towards your goal, you will fulfill your desire or you become successful. And in the temple also, when you put 108 rounds around the center point where the cosmic energy is found and the deity is kept, you absorb this cosmic energy and you become a bundle of positive energy, because cosmic energy is nothing else but positive energy, and with this high positive energy, when you go out and work towards your goal, it will become successful. This is a principle behind Pradakshina in a temple. Thank you.